Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Trustwallet with Pancakeswap on your mobile phone. Now let's go to the Trustwallet mobile app right there. If you don't already own a wallet, you can click on create a new wallet right here. I would have to accept this and continue. When I click continue, Trustwallet will provide me with a minimum of 12 seed phrase, and I would have to save those seed phrase in a secured location. Either you write it down or you store it somewhere no one else can see. Continue. As you can see, I have successfully created a new wallet. Click on done. Right now, I would have to transfer my BNB from my Binance Spot wallet to this decentralized Trust wallet. As you can see down here, it says Smart Chain. Click on this Smart Chain and copy the address. Understand? Go to receive and copy this address. Then I would go over to Binance and paste this address. I would paste the address right here, and always make sure you select this BEP20 BSC. This is the network you are using, Binance Smart Chain BSC BEP20 network. Don't go and select any other thing. Understand? Because if you do select this one up, you could lose all your money. So you have to select the BSC network. Then I'll click on Max and I will transfer everything. As you can see, my transaction is being processed right now. I can go over to history and confirm this transaction. As you can see down here, my transaction is processing. Right now, I'll go over to my Trust wallet. Now, I would have to wait for my BNB to appear in my Trust wallet. BNB is now present in our wallet. Now, let's go back. One more thing. I would really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and I would really appreciate you if you do so. Now, let's continue. Right now, as you can see, we have BNB present in our Trust wallet. If we want to use Pancakeswap right now, we are going to do everything in our Trust wallet app. To continue, we would have to go to this section right here that says the apps. Now, this is called decentralized applications. Now, click on it. In this new the app section, you would have to scroll and find Pancakeswap. Now, these are different decentralized applications you can use with Trust Wallet, but we are looking for Pancakeswap. Now, this is your Pancakeswap right there. So since we're using Trust Wallet to access Pancakeswap, your wallet will be directly connected to Pancakeswap. Understand? One thing I need to tell you, pay attention to this logo right here, because when you click on it, you would see that they are different networks. Most of you, when you access a decentralized application like Pancakeswap, you may be on the Ethereum network. So make sure when you are using Pancakeswap, you change to the Smart Chain network. Right now, I would go ahead and connect my Trust wallet right there. As you can see, my wallet is now connected. You would see my available balance in my BNB wallet. If I want to trade my BNB for any coin, I would have to click select a currency. And I can search for any currency right here that I would like to trade. For example, let's search for BTC/ST. Let's click on this. Right now, we want to exchange BNB for BTC/ST. I would select Max. As you can see, this is the amount of BNB I will be trading for this amount of BTC/ST. Now, one more thing I should tell you before we swap this. When you click on this settings icon right here, it shows you your slippage tolerance, understand, and your transaction deadline. Now, what this means is that if the price should change within 0.1%, your trade would be executed. But if the price should change outside 0.1%, that means your price would not be executed. You can also change it to 0.5%. You can also change it to 1%. So that means if you use 1%, if it's within that 1%, your trade would be executed. Now, this is your transaction deadline that says if your transaction time exceeds this number right here, your trade would be cancelled. This is a very good tool to help you when trading using Pancakeswap. Now, I would go ahead and click swap, confirm swap. Now, I would confirm my transaction. As you can see, my transaction is confirming and my transaction right now has been submitted. This is how you buy on Pancakeswap, understand? And if you look closely, my transaction has been executed. So now we've bought BTC/ST, and if you also want to sell your BTC/ST, you would have to swap this and click on Max, and you would have to approve BTC/ST. Pay attention to the fee. As you can see, low fees. Approve this. And now you can swap, confirm. Now, as you can see, my trade has been executed. Now, let me show you how you can send your BNB from Pancakeswap to Binance. Now, let's close this Let's go back to wallet. When you are sending back to Binance, you would have to send BNB, Binance Smart Chain BNB. Click on this. Now let's go to Binance and copy our receive address. Click on send right here. Then you'd have to paste the recipient's address and you'd have to select max. That's the amount of BNB you would like to send. When you want to copy your Binance receive address, make sure you copy from the BSC network. Understand? Because that is where you will be sending your BNB to, back to the BSC network. You select Binance Chain when copying your BNB receive address. Right now, I have successfully sent my BNB to my Binance account. Before we end this video, like I said, when sending and receiving your BNB, always remember to select the BSC network. Understand? Select the Binance Smart Chain network. Because if you don't, you could lose your funds. Now, this is going to be it for this video. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like. It really helps the channel and I really appreciate it if you do. This is going to be it and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.